Hey guys, my name is Dancy Bearded, and I'm coming to you live from the Volt Lifeproof Grooming's YouTube channel. Now, normally you guys see me with a hat on, something like this from Volt, but today I want to talk about something not related to my beard, and that would be the head hair styling. Now, I do have some head hair, right? But this is a true story. I often wear hats because I despise styling my hair until I found sea salt spray. Growing up, I only knew about hair gel and hairspray, and I hated it. Absolutely hated it. I'm an active guy, I'm a sweaty guy, and my biggest thing when I would do my head hair is I would get the styling in, and then I would inevitably start sweating, and it would run down my face. It would get into my eyes, it would get into my mouth, it was not good for my skin, and again, that was mainly hairspray. I knew like intrinsically I didn't like the feel of hair gel, and I was like, at least hairspray feels okay. And it was just so bad, so I stopped really styling my hair until I found sea salt spray. Now, I absolutely love everything about sea salt spray, and especially the one from Volt. Now, this is their surf salt. It gives you volume, gives it texture, activated charcoal. It's the lava salt and sea kelp all right in here. Now, today I just want to kind of go over why I prefer sea salt spray to style my head hair as compared to hairspray. First and foremost, the first two ingredients of this entire product here, the most prominent ingredients, are purified water and sea salt. It's as simple as that. I'm not going to pull up any brands or specifics, but if you pull up a bottle of hairspray, go ahead and take a look at those ingredients. Yeah, terrifying. This not only is not harmful to the hair, which I believe, in my opinion and experience, that many hairsprays can actually be harmful to the hair. This is actually beneficial to your head hair and can give you a lot of nourishment in it as well. If I sweat, I'm sweating off salt water. What is my sweat? Salt water, so it's not like I have any of those problems that I experienced with the hairspray. I don't feel that stickiness afterwards. You can spray it on your hands, wipe it through. You're not going to feel that sticky hairspray style to it. It really is better for me in every single way possible as compared to a traditional hairspray. Now, if we want to style the mustache, style the beard, if you're not going to wear a hat, if you're going to go out to a nice dinner, you want to be able to style the head hair as well. And what I really like about that sea salt spray is it doesn't give it that like glossy shine that you get from like pomades and gels, and it gives you a nice little natural hold, and I can do different things. When I felt like I had hairspray, it was almost like a helmet, and I'm like, okay, don't touch it, it'll get out of place, make sure it's perfect. For this, I can come through, I got a little view over here, but it's tiny, I can't even really see. I know my hair is gonna look pretty good by styling this, and it's gonna last. I love this, and it is for the last 2 or 3 years. The only way I style my head hair is with the sea salt spray from Volt Lifeproof Grooming. So, comments, questions down below. Have you tried this? Let us know your experience. Do you have any thoughts on this? Any worries? Any wonderings? Volt would love to be able to help you guys out down in that comment section. Thank you guys for watching today. I encourage you to subscribe to this channel, hit the thumbs up on this video, and go check out the other content creators that they work with. There's some really good stuff here, you guys. Thank you again for watching, and please have a great day.